So now when you are on this one, okay, so now I have started recording from this point onwards also. So this is, let me share my screen. Yeah. So this is the code for the basketball game. Again, this game is similar to the Flappy code that you guys made. Again, there are two colors of buttons available, greens and blues. Blues are again actions, greens are again events. So green वाले buttons events को represent कर रहे हैं और blue वाले button actions को represent कर रहे हैं. So the scenario is, in case of an event, what action should happen? अगर ये event होता है तो उससे कौन सा action generate होना चाहिए? So we are going to code accordingly. So this says attach a block to the when left arrow block and press run. Move the hand using the left arrow to reach the finished target. जिसका मतलब ये है कि आपको इन दो में से सही वाला ब्लॉक पिक करना है और उसे when left arrow के साथ लगाना है. And then you have to reach the target. This red flag is a target. You need to use this left arrow to reach the target. So simple as that. Yeah, the first level is simple. You just need to attach move left here, the run, and then you can go here. Touch the red flag, it turns green, you go to the next level. So that is a very simple rule in this game throughout. In the second level, what you have is it's level 2 is also the same. Now you have to attach two blocks. Move left when left arrow is pressed, move right when right arrow is pressed, and then just run it and touch both the flags.
Excuse me.
Yes, Bilal?
In the first level I attached move left, but I don't get the sign. Congratulations.
So how did you complete it the first level? You can show that to me. Okay. So after this level 2, we get to level 3, and the level 3 is again very simple. All you need to do is just define what happens when the ball hits hand. So this is also an event. ये भी एक event है कि अगर ऐसा हो जाए गेम खेलते हुए कि ball hand को hit करे तो क्या होगा? If the ball hits the hand, what should happen after that? So we would want that the ball bounces back and goes back in air. So that is why we have drag bounce ball and add it to when ball hits hand. Just run it, don't do anything. It would come down, touch the hand, touch the flag, and it would be over. So level 3 was also kind of pretty simple. Now I have got two options here. When the ball hits the hand, it bounces, that's fine. But what happens when the ball hits the wall? What should happen if the ball hits the wall? The ball should also bounce back. So that is why you can attach when ball hits wall, bounce ball it with it also. And now when you would run it, you would see when ball hits the hand, it bounces back, goes back in air, touches the wall, goes back in air, and then touches your flag.
Yes, sir, I also done it.
Okay.
I got.
So levels till level 4 are all done. Now let's try to add all of those things together. All of the level 4 till level 4 we have done so like 4 things. So we are going to add all of those things together. Now we are going to start working. So simple things, first left movement and right movement. So we will define how to move left and how to move right. After that, when ball hits the hand, it bounces. And when ball hits the wall, it bounces again. But there should be a difference between touching the hand and touching the wall. So we would say that if it touches the wall, you can play bounce sound with that. Now the goal is to touch that red flag once again, but now you would have to play the game to do it. Okay, so run it and start playing.
Sir, I'm stuck on level 5.
Yeah, on level 5 you have to see on level 5 it's different. You have to attach all these blocks here and then run your game. And now you would have to target that red flag. Okay, it's basically like target practice. You need to keep doing it until and unless you touch that red flag like that. So if you touch that, that would be over. Right?
I don't know how to do it.
You need to use your cursor.
It's quite easy. Level 5.
Level 5 is not that difficult. See, Mashayim, what you need to do is you need to use these arrow keys. Okay, you need to use these arrow keys to get in the way of the ball and make sure that it touches the hand and stays in the air. It would automatically touch the flag somehow if it stays in the air. So you need to just make sure that the ball stays in the air, and it touches the flag eventually. It would touch the flag eventually. Okay.
Sir, I've also done it.
Okay, so after level 5, we have got level 6 now. Now this level 6 has got one thing extra. If you would compare it with level 5, you see that this area is empty. You do not have anything here. But when I go to level 6, you would see that on this area, I have now got a basket. Because this is a basketball game, so that's why they have given us a basket. And what does a basket do? What does a basket do?
We get a point.
What does the basket do?
We get a point when we score.
We get a
when
point.
we put the ball
Yes,
in it.
when we play basketball and we place the ball in the basket, what we do is we simply get a point. So first, let's code the whole other part. When left arrow is pressed, move left. When right arrow is pressed, move right. When ball hits hand, bounce ball. When ball hits wall, bounce the ball once again. When ball is in the goal, you score a point. And when the ball misses hand, the opponent scores a point. And you play bounce sound, that's up to you. And also, if the ball is in the goal, you would want to celebrate that. So you just play cheering sound. Okay. And when opponent scores a points, you would want to have, let's say, some whistle sound. So let's play that. So now you need to score at least 2 points. So actually, this game or this level would end after the opponent has, after your opponent has scored 2 points. So what you need to do in this one is just miss the ball 2 times. Yeah. So all you need to do is just miss the ball 2 times and you would go to the next level. Let me show you once again. So if you want to go to the next level from level 6 to level 7, you would not be able to go to the next level until and unless you keep playing this game. But just for the target practice, try to score 1 or 2 points. Like I have scored 1 point now. So just to go to the next level now, I would let the ball beat me 2 times. And after that, I would be able to go to the next level. So you would go to next level when your opponent has scored 2 points. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
level 6 is very hard.
No, level 6 is not hard. Level 7 is very hard. Level 8 is very hard. Level 6 is simple. Okay, so I am giving you to complete level 6 only till level 6. Level 7 and level 8, I will show that to you next week. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now, if you guys want to ask anything, you guys can ask. That is it from the class. But if you guys want to ask anything, you can ask me.
No, sir, I don't want to ask anything.
Sir, can you start level 7?
Excuse me, sir.
No, I'm not doing level 7 today. You guys are also keeping till level 6
Excuse me,
today.
sir.
Yes.
In the Maze Pack game, when I end the game, I can't end it.
But don't worry, we will start from level 7. No issues in that.
Of the scratch, sir.
So what has happened with your Scratch?
When I go till the end, it says it reset.
What does it say?